Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how you can make your own Google Docs notes aesthetic. I will show you some ways how you can decorate your notes, and if you haven't watched my previous video yet, which is making digital notes using MS Word, you can visit the link below after this video. And yes, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is to open Google Docs. Make sure first that your Gmail account is signed in, then open colorhunt.co on the other tab and look for the color palette you will be using for your notes. You can choose whatever palette you want, and here I chose this orange and blue color palette theme. And remember not to delete the tab. So going back to Google Docs, open the blank document. The next thing you have to do is to adjust the page layout. Go to the File tab and click the Page Setup option. Here it will show you various menus and features. Select the paper size you will be using. You can set a page color, and for the margins, I applied 0.5 inches on all sides. Then click OK. You can also add some page numbers. Choose the one you prefer. And under the Insert tab, click on the Drawing option, then New. Here I will add a shape, and I choose this oblong one. Apply the fill color you prefer. Place the Color Hunt tab beside your Google Docs window to directly copy the color code and apply it to the shape. Make some adjustments, and next, I added a text box where I placed the lesson title and the subject. Adjust the font size, and I applied the Cantata 1 and Spinmaker font on the text. I then used this blue color from the palette. Next, I duplicated the shape and applied a darker shade of brown to it. Set it back so it will serve as a shadow of the shape. Click Save and Close once you're satisfied with how it looks. I selected here the Break Text option for the header. Then I added another drawing. I just placed this rectangular shape and applied a lighter shade of blue for the fill color. Duplicate it, then put it on the other side. So before we proceed, let me show you first this software called Wondershare EdrawMax. This software includes a variety of diagrams, templates, and symbols that you can use for school, business, and on other industries. This is available to download on different platforms such as Windows, macOS, Linux, and online. If you want to try this and download it, I have a link below in the description box. They also have built-in and user-generated templates. EdrawMax provides a workspace for creating over 200 types of diagrams, including flowcharts, fishbone diagrams, UML diagrams, floor plans, and more. There are 2,000 plus professional templates and 26,000 plus built-in symbols. They also have a template community where you can share your diagram and help other e-drawers. So here I tried to create one. You can simply search for something or any icon on the search bar and choose the one you like. Again, you can share it with other people by clicking on the share button at the top, or you can publish it. Then here I just save it to my device. Another good thing here in EdrawMax is that it has a superior file compatibility where you can save and export your work to different file types. It includes Visio, MS Office, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, JPG, SVG, and etc. Also, as I mentioned, they have a template community, and it is both online and on the desktop software. You can use it immediately and edit it. EdrawMax also has a Black Friday campaign where they offer you the lowest price that you can enjoy in 2021, especially for their new inspiration capture bundle. Not only can get the free eDraw info, but you can also have 3 free license code for some of your friends to enjoy premium accounts of the software. However, this is only for a limited time. Visit them because EdrawMax and EdrawMind are soon moving to a subscription-based pricing model. And lastly, they have a new version of the software. They updated it to version 11.5 with improvements on startup speed, a brand new template community, more icons and clip art, new diagram types, and their dark mode. Again, if you want to try this one, you can visit the link below and just be creative. Going back to the video, for the individual subheader, you can add a frame by adding a new drawing and selecting the shape you want to use. Apply a transparent fill color, and I use a shade of blue for the frame or the shape's outline. Adjust the thickness, then click Save. Here I just added the first header. By the way, I just searched something on the web to show you guys how you can use this template. I suggest that you use this if you want to organize your draft notes from your discussions or simply compile your notes. Going back, adjust the font size, font or color of the text. All of this are optional. Then I just place here the shape so it would serve as a frame. Duplicate the line from the title. Place it beside the first header, adjust the thickness, and change the color if you want to change it. Under it, add your notes, and you can use the Josephine Sans font. You can apply some bullets and set the font color you want. Repeat the process, same with the first header. You can duplicate the frame and place it on the second header. To adjust the line, click on it, then the 3 dots, select the size and rotation option, and here you can adjust the width and height of the shape. I'm just adding some more information. You can also add some photos. So here I just copied one. Select the wrap text option so you can still add text beside the image. Adjust their font and font styles. And here I added another shape. I chose this rounded shape corner and set the fill to transparent and orange color for the outline. Then I added some lines, adjusted their measurement and rotation to form this frame design. And save it. Adjust it and place it where you want to put it. You can add here some important notes that you have. Adjust the font and the font styles. So this is the page 1, and now we will proceed to the second page. So here I'm just continuing to add some notes. I applied the same style before, same with the header. Add the shape and this line. Add notes below the header. I just added here some examples. And another way you can decorate some parts of your notes is to use this sticky note shape. Change the color depending on your preference. Then I set it to no outline. Place it behind the text. And if this happens, make the background or highlighter transparent to take off the white background. Then I adjusted them. And here I added another photo. For the last header I will be including, I will use a different design in placing notes, on which you can also use this design style. Click on the drawing menu, add a text box, place the subheader here, change the outline fill, adjust the thickness, and also the text, apply the font styles you want. You can also choose the outline design you want. They have here 6 different types. Duplicate it to add another set of terms, and then add another text box. Here you can place the meaning or the definition of the word, adjust the font styles and the text orientation. Repeat this process until you cover all of the terms you will be including, then just save it. or you can add some more changes and do some adjustments. And this is what it looks like. This is the first and the second page. So if you want to use this template, go to my description box, then click on the link, the G Drive link I provided, click the File tab, then choose the Make a Copy option, add your own file name, select the folder where you want to save it, like on your Google Drive, then click OK. Just remember not to click on the Request Edit Access option, and yes, now you have your own copy and you can now start editing it. And yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope that you got something from this video. So if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to subscribe. By the way, guys, we are already 75,000. Thank you so much for the support. I'm speechless. Wow. But yeah, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Yeah. And yes, that is all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys.